Hey guys, how you doing? Well, today I am going to be putting on the full race downpipe on my 2014 Civic Si, and can't wait to see what the difference is. Right now I got the stock cats and stock exhaust put back on. Before that I had the Skunk 2 catless downpipe with an NVIDIA N1 exhaust. Again, because of the emissions and how loud that system was, I changed back over to the stock cats, stock exhaust, got retuned, lost a lot of power, but it was drivable as far as, not causing too much attention, and, able to get my sticker without a problem. So I'm curious what that full race downpipe, am I going to be able to get close to my power I had? How's the sound going to be? So we'll find out. And again, here it is, one-piece cast. Very nice setup. Catted downpipe. Alright, let's see what this does. Alright, so if this read right, it's 111.1 decibels. I know it's kind of close, so let's see what the catted downpipe from Full Race does. Alright, first step I do is I take the windshield wiper blades off. So you just pop this cap off, pull this tab out, and that's a 17 nut right there, and do that on both sides. As I go, I always like to lay out the parts the way I took them off the car. I mean, this is easy enough, just the windshield blades, but it just makes it easy as I go. Alright, now pop the hood. Okay, so I've stopped using the clips. I just use the ties, zip ties, because I've taken this cowl off many times for different reasons. So just take those off, and then this will pull off the top cowl, and then underneath you got the metal one. You're going to need the 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter. Alright, next you want to get your O2 sensor out, and I already pulled that out, unclipping it, and you need a special socket for that. So a friend of mine had made this so it doesn't cut the wires, because you can't just put a regular socket through it. So it's kind of made to go in like that. I think you can buy them, but like I said, he made this. That works pretty good. Alright, then I'm just going to loosen the 4 bolts to the header pipe. And then I don't want to take it out all the way because I want it held up so I can get to the bolts. I can unbolt everything else without this top end rattling around on me. Alright, so I'm not good holding the camera while doing work, so here's the mid pipe leading to the stock cats. I got these 3 bolts out. I use penetrating oil, let them soak. Then you got your second O2 sensor. I pulled that out. And then, right, you can see there's a bolt there because these cats come out in two parts. So they're like a spring-looking exhaust bolt. Pain in the butt, but there we go. Alright, well, there's the catalytic converters off. Now, to get this one off, when you pull it out, you have to flip it upside down and work it around the front of the your front support beam there, the subframe beam. You can't just snake it down. It's got to be, you got to flip it upside down and work it through to the front. So now time to put on the downpipe. Alright, so I've got the gasket in. This side's bolted up. Alright, just a little tip that we found trying to get your second O2. This will not reach the factory position, so we had to
break the bracket.
We had to unclip it from its factory point and hang it, because the position of this O2 sensor, the secondary, will not reach, so you're gonna have to unclip it, or it was being stubborn, so we just kind of broke it free. So that's just enough to make it. Alright, everything is back together, and obviously you just reverse all those steps, taking everything apart. Oh, wait a minute, one last final detail. There we go, it's done. Alright, and we have 115.8. So it looks like just adding the catted downpipe is a little bit louder. And yes, the moon is out today. Check that out. That looks cool. Alright, I'm going to do a test run and check to see if there's any knock counts. So before I bring it to the tuner shop, I know I said there's a couple, but we're going to turn the water meth up with the AM controller underneath here. Well, it's pretty dark down there. But so I'm going to start spraying at 8 pounds, or it's set to start spraying at 8 pounds. And we're going to go to 6 pounds and see if it fixes the knock count. If not, then it's definitely tuning time to fix the timing and stuff. Do a little pull here. Alright, that was an easy lane into it, and no knock count. I got 3 knock counts last time, and turning the water methanol up, that definitely helped. So start spraying it earlier. So I had the wrong thing. That's knock level. So yeah, I got 2 knock counts. So definitely it's gonna have to be a little touch-up tune. All right, so this is the next day. I've been driving around. I've hooked Honda up, and my car does run a little lean at some spots. So top of the RPM range, I get a couple of knock counts. So I'm gonna have to have this retuned, add some fuel on the top end, and besides that, it's kind of nice. It has a little more rumble in it, but not as extreme. So I'm hoping, again, with a retune, I'll be getting closer back to that 400 marker, and I stay kind of under the radar with how loud this car was, and attract attention to it, and as a cat, so it's more emission compliant. Plus I got her all washed up and looking shiny again. So thanks everyone for watching. See you next video. Bye.